All right, listen up. If you ever wanted to quit that boring 9 to 5, stop grinding paycheck to paycheck, and actually control your income, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to become a high-ticket closer. Not someday, not in a year. I'm talking learning the skills and landing a role and earning commissions that can hit anywhere between $10,000, $20,000, even $30K a month in as little time as possible. And here's the kicker. You don't need a degree. You don't need to build some fancy business. Hell, you don't even need to leave your house. But here's the catch. There's a right way to do this and there's a wrong way to do this. By the end of this video, not only will you know how to land your first closing role, but I'm also going to share you the #1 mistake new closers make that destroy their chances before they even start. Spoiler alert, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. So what the hell is high ticket closing anyways? Let me break it down for you in simple terms. You're a professional closer. Think of it like this. There's businesses out there that's already doing 6 or even 7 figures a month. They've got ads running, leads coming in, and maybe even a team of appointment setters filling up your calendar. Your job? Hop on a Zoom call with those warm leads and close the deal. That's it. You don't handle fulfillment. You don't handle customer support. You don't have to deal with Karen asking you for refunds. You only focus on one thing. Turning an I'm not sure into a hell yes. And let me tell you, the commissions are no joke. Most high ticket earners earn anywhere between 10 to 15% of the sale. Selling a 10K coaching program, that's $1,000 in your pocket. Close 10 deals a month, that's $10,000 in your pocket. And if you're working with a solid team and getting 3 to 5 book calls a day, trust me, those numbers add up fast. Now, I know this might sound too good to be true, but it's not. I have companies reaching out to me all the time saying, Kayvon, I need more closers. This isn't some get rich quick scheme. It's a high demand skill that companies are actually desperate for. And here's why. High ticket closing is the ultimate game changer, especially if you're just starting out. There's no overhead. You don't need to build a business. You're not spending months creating a product or running ads. You're stepping into a machine that's already making money. Unlike starting a business that might take years to profit, you can start making commissions within weeks. And this is recession proof. Look, whether the economy is up or down or even sideways, companies will always need closers. Why? Because no sales equals no revenue. You're essential to their bottom line. And here's the best part. You're not just making money, you're building a skill that'll set you up for life. Sales isn't a job, it's a superpower. Whether you're closing deals, negotiating contracts, or even convincing your partner where to eat for dinner, sales skills show up everywhere. And trust me, the better you get, the more opportunities will come your way. If you're bad at sales, none of this matters. You can have all the leads in the world, but if you can't close, you're not making money, period. So step 1, you got to get good at sales. And no, I don't mean reading a few books and calling a day. I mean putting in the reps. Here's where most people go wrong. They think watching a YouTube video just like this or reading How to Win Friends and Influence People will make them a great closer. But here's the truth. Sales is like going to the gym. Watching someone bench doesn't make you stronger. You've got to get under the bar and push. So here's how to start. Role play like your life depends on it. Find a friend, a mentor, even a stranger online and practice sales calls. Go over objections, run through scripts, get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Study the greats. Or yours truly, learn how top closers handle objections, build rapport, and how they close deals. Get feedback, record your practice calls, and have someone critique them. Yes, I know it's painful, but that's how you grow. And remember, the first few calls, they're going to suck. You're going to stutter. You're going to forget your script, and you're going to feel like an idiot. That's normal. But every awakening call is one step closer to mastery. So embrace the suck, and you got to keep going. All right, so you're getting good at sales. Now what? It's time to find an offer to sell. This is where most people screwed up. They jump at the first opportunity that comes their way without vetting it. And then they're stuck selling a crappy product with terrible leads and wondering why they're freaking broke. Let me save you a world of headache. Here's how to find the right opportunity. First, it comes down to the offer. Is the offer solving a real problem? Does it have testimonials or success stories? If you wouldn't buy it yourself, don't sell it. Second is lead quality. Lead quality. Are you talking to people who are actually interested? Or are you cold calling random strangers? Warm leads equals higher close rates. And then lead volume. How many calls are you actually getting per day? A good company will keep your calendar stacked. Pro tip, don't just wait for the job postings. Reach out to business directly. Send them a message like, hey, notice you're scaling your X. Notice you're scaling your offer. I'd love to help you close more deals. Let's chat. Show them you're serious and they'll take notice. Now, I promised you this. I said I would share the number one mistake new closers make, and here it is. They skip the fundamentals. I've seen it too many times. Someone watches one video, one sales video, they think they're ready to start applying for roles. Then they bomb their first call, burn bridges, and wonder why they're not getting hired. Listen, if you want to succeed, you got to respect the process. You got to learn the skills and practice until it feels natural. Build your confidence before you jump in, because when you do, business owners will see it. They will hear it in your voice. They'll know you're ready to close. Here's the thing. Finding great opportunities isn't easy, especially when you're new. That's why I created a free community for closers. Inside, I share job opportunities for companies I personally vet. These are businesses that are already crushing it and they're looking for top tier closer. I also share resources and tips to help you level up. And the best part, you're surrounded by others who are on the same journey. It's like having a gym buddy, but for sales. So if you're serious about becoming a high ticket closer, all you gotta do, join the community today. It's free and it's packed with everything you need to know to succeed. So let's recap this. Master sales, put in the reps, get the feedback, and keep improving. Find the right opportunities, vet the offer, the leads, and the volume. Take action. Don't wait for that perfect moment, because it doesn't exist. And most importantly, surround yourself with people who are already where you want to be. That's how you accelerate your growth. So if you're ready to stop dreaming and start closing, all you got to do is click the link below, join my free community, and let's make this freaking happen. Remember this, high-ticket closing isn't just a skill, it's a life-changing opportunity. The only question is, are you ready to take it? High-ticket closing changed my life, and it can change yours too. But the first step is you need to step up. Stop waiting. Start doing. Join the community, put in the work, and let's make your breakthrough year happen right now. I'll see you on the inside.